Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. For those who are new here, I'm Liliana, and I'd like to start off by saying that something happened to my channel last Sunday. A trend started and I really like this trend, and I don't know who started the trend, but it was so cool. And the trend was that you guys were commenting a little comment, but where you were coming from. And I was so happy about that, to the point that it made me cry, because I was like, wow, these people are watching my videos, and they're all over the world. They're from all over the world. And I was so overwhelmed and so happy. And you guys are so supportive. And like, I'm talking to you guys right now, I'm not having goosebumps, because I just feel the love from you guys. And it's like, you guys have no idea like how much this means to me. I'm closer to you guys than my own family. That's how important that you guys are to me. I'm so appreciative of all the nice comments that you guys are leaving me, and it means the world to me. And I really like this trend. And I don't want to start getting like watery, but I cannot believe like how much, like, I know I put videos out there, I know it helps people out, I get it, but the fact that so many people are interested in me and my stuff, and you guys love it and enjoy it, I mean, it means the world to me. And I really like this trend that you guys are starting, and continue. It's really cool. I like the fact that you guys give me your little comment and where you are from. So please continue that, because I really like to know like where you guys are from and all, and you know, we can build a relationship also. It's not always about cake decorating, and you know what I mean. So anyhow, I just want to say thank you very much, and please continue doing so. And for this particular video, I decided to do a two-tier marble effect with edible metallic foil. So I know you guys liked last time when I did the $20 converted to a wedding cake challenge video, and you guys actually was asking me to do more videos with two-tier. So this is one of them. So I really hope you guys enjoy, and that's enough talking, and let's get to it. this is how I made this beautiful cake. Very simple to make. Basically what you need to do is bake 2 cakes, crumb coat it, and with buttercream. By the way, many of you were asking me, Liliana, give us your buttercream recipe. It's actually in my description box down below. There's a link to my blog, and my recipe of buttercream is there, amongst others. So for the bottom tier, I went with a peach tone buttercream shade. How I create peach tone, basically I use pink, orange, and a little bit of tan mixed together, and that's what I get, that kind of color. And obviously it's better to go a little bit at the time than too much, because you can go light, you can go darker but not lighter, so just think about that. And I use edible metallic foil. Make sure that it is edible, because there's a lot of product out there that are meant for decorations and arts and crafts, but not for a cake. So make sure that you have the logo of that the foil is edible. And what I did is I didn't cover the entire cake, because I didn't want to waste the foil, because it is expensive. So I just did the border, and I left the middle blank, because I know I'm gonna just stack another cake over it, so there was no point doing that. For the metallic, for the foil, what you need to know for the foil is that foil sticks to whatever is tacky or wet. So you're gonna see if you use your hands. Most of the time I don't use my hands. This is why you always see me with like those little pliers and a brush, because if you touch it with your hands and your hands are wet, it's just gonna stick to your hands, and that stuff is so expensive. You don't want it on your hands, you want it on your cake. So if it doesn't stick to your cake, because sometimes the buttercream does like dry up quickly, and so what you can do, brush a little bit of water to your cake, and then simply go over with your foiled or tweezers. I don't know if it's cake tweezers, I don't know what they're called, I'm sorry. Anyway, with those tweezers or a brush, and then you can go over it, and it's gonna stick to it. I like the effect of, you know, not being everything like so equal and perfect. I like when the foil is breaking apart, but that's my own take. If you like things more neat and like straight, well, make sure that wherever you put your water, that you create a line so that your foil is gonna follow the water and the stickiness. So for the second tier, what I did to make sure that everything is secured, I use a plastic straw. If you're not comfortable with plastic straws, and you can use also wooden dowels. So you just use how many you need, and then you cut to size. You can use that too, and that works perfectly fine also. And then for the top, what I did is I did a marble effect, which is super easy. You simply do your first coat of buttercream, whatever color you chose, and then you just place a little bit of the second color, and then you scrape it, and then you get that nice effect. The more you scrape, the more it's going to blend together, and the less you do so, and the less it gets blended, obviously. So what I like about this, there's no right or wrong for the marble effect, and that's what I like about it. So if you don't like the effect, add some white. If you think it's too white, add some color, and vice versa. And that was pretty much it. For the cascade, I use synthetic flowers, and I simply glued them with a little bit of buttercream, and that was pretty much it. I really hope you guys enjoyed. If you haven't done it yet, don't forget to subscribe, click the notification bell button, and comment down below, and tell me again like that cute trend of where you guys are from. I really like that. So I wish you all a beautiful weekend, a beautiful week, and I'll see you in the next one.